Good morning. Oop. I almost rolled my ankle there. It's time to get this guy out this. Wait. Okay. Hey, good morning. Come here. Come here. Oh. Let's go. Stay. Wait. Okay. Good boy. Hurry up. Okay.
Are we seeing this one? This one.
All right. We're gonna go and take Brody to get some, what are we getting him? Some whipped cream. Damn, you turned the light off. Now I'm all dark. All right, we're gonna go take Brody to Chick-fil-A to get some whipped cream. And that's gonna be a little adventure. Here's Brody, you ready? You excited? We're gonna get you to take you some whipped cream?
Yep.
Let's see. Come here. So this is what it takes to take all the steps that we have to take to have Brody join us on the trip to the what's it? I'm trying blanks. We normally would take him with his collar and all that, but I'm just gonna go to Chick-fil-A, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go. Wait. Okay. Lock in, lock in.
Cut. So we're gonna be in Ocala right now. We're headed to.
Brody, we're gonna take you to Chick-fil-A. The flex look like this. Oh shit!
Face, put it down. You missed like a close job.
No, because it's fine. Now people don't know where we live. So I just missed a bunch of stuff. This is a test vlog, so it's whatever, you know. It's meant to fail. Brody. Hey boy. You know where we're at?
Y quedó claro que las muertes.
Can I get an 8-piece meal with a small cookies and cream shake? We got your whipped cream on the way, boy. Hi. Eddie? Eddie? Thank you.
My pleasure.
Could I get some extra whipped cream on the side? Please?
Oh, yes, for the dog?
Yeah. Please.
Thank you. My pleasure. It's a golden retriever, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's a big boy.
Yeah, he's big. So, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, guys.
They're probably waiting for us to like record.
I know. Sorry.
Okay. It's your Brody.
I'm gonna park so we can give him this. Just in case you wanted to play something to watch. Oh.
You ready?
Brody. Relax. He's dying to get to it.
Look at my face.
That is it. Alright, let me get to the outside. You ready for this whipped cream, boy? So cute. We'll figure it out.
Here, get.
He just devoured this. Clean up my boy right here. He's looking a little crazy. Oh boy. Was that good?
Did you like it, Brody?
Alright. Good boy.
Let me have sanitizer, please.
You like that one, Brody?
Put the window up for him so he doesn't escape.
Don't want you to escape. So we made it back. Brody, you tired?
Yes, Kurt. A hair dryer, bro? All this over a hair dryer?